Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing well. So as a result, the third generation iPhone SE is slated to kick off Apple's 2022 product launches. The new model will supersede the current model which was released in April 2022, and while it is likely to have the same design, some expert feels its enhanced internals will be enough to drive significant improvements. According to the recent claim, the iPhone SE3 will be cheaper than its predecessor. The question is what the iPhone SE3 will bring to the table. A quick explanation is that it is an older design with a speedier chip and 5G connection. The current model can only connect to 4G networks and it is powered by the A13 Bionic chip developed in-house. The A15 Bionic chip, which powers the iPhone 13 family, is expected to power the 2022 SE model according to the most industry insiders. According to reports, the iPhone SE3 will have a superior camera. In case you are wondering, the 2020 model received the iPhone 11's 12 megapixel main camera and 7 megapixel front-facing camera. It's unclear if the new SE will get the iPhone 12's primary sensor or the iPhone 13's main camera. And don't anticipate the new device to appear any different than the iPhone SE2, which is built on the iPhone 8 and sports a 4.7 inches LCD panel with integrated Touch ID and a home button. According to rumors, the phone will redesign next year. I'm talking about the notch. We have heard reports that iPhone SE 2022 will have an iPhone XR design, an Apple A15 SoC and 5G connectivity, and everything of it looks extremely possible, which will make the iPhone SE3 the most powerful budget smartphone to get in 2022. When combined with how well Apple's iOS 15 operating system is tuned for its phones, the iPhone SE3 will pose a significant challenge to Android in the world's thriving budget and mid-range sectors by providing something that other low-cost phones cannot. Peace of mind that it will simply operate, that it will work easily, that it will cover the fundamentals, and that it will be up to date for an extended period of time. Moving on, according to an investor business daily stories and rumors, the iPhone SE3 could start at $300, making it less expensive than current model which cost $399. So what do you think about this budget iPhone? Let me know in the comment section below. With that said, subscribe if you like and I will see you in the next one.